is to ensure that we're ending the stigma around the trades, to get more young people to see these careers as meaningful and well-paying. We need to simplify the apprenticeship system, which today's announcement will do just that. And lastly, we're continuing to encourage employers to step up, bring on more apprentices. So I'm proud to be standing here today with support from labor, from industry leaders, contractors, small businesses, as well as training providers. This is a great day for the skilled trades in Ontario.
Follow up.
I'm good, thanks.
Thanks, Tom.
Next question will be from Sabrina Jones at CBC News.
Hi, Minister.
Hi,
the NDP MPP Jessica Bell read off a long list of small businesses today that haven't received the province's small business grant despite being eligible for it. Why have these businesses not gotten the financial support they need, and when can they expect it?
Well, I certainly feel for all of those small businesses out there. They truly have borne the lion's share of this pandemic, and I know in my local communities the challenges that they're facing. The good news is vaccinations are setting record levels. I know yesterday we vaccinated a record number of people, and that's going to get us through this pandemic, I believe. We just all have to keep working together to get through the next number of weeks and months. For those small businesses, I know tens of thousands of grants have been given. The province has spent in the billions of dollars to support small businesses. If there are any small businesses out there that haven't received their grant yet, then I would encourage them to contact their local MPP. I know if there are challenges in my local riding, they contact my office and we follow up as quickly as possible. Our goal is to certainly help these small businesses who are clearly challenged during this pandemic.
Follow up.
Yes, thank you. The CEO of the Canadian Federation of Independent Business is calling on the government for a third round of funding and to expand the eligibility of the grant to small businesses who have been open but who are seriously impacted by the lockdown in terms of foot traffic and demand. Is this something the government would consider?
Well, certainly, we've committed to standing with small businesses to get them through this pandemic. We've invested over $51 billion in supporting families and businesses and major investments into the healthcare system. But we are going to be with those small businesses and all the people in this province to get us through this pandemic. We are going to get through this by working together. And again, a record number of people getting vaccinated, that's a hopeful message. But I would say clearly, we need the federal government to step up more as well. They say they want to help, but they need to take stronger measures at the borders, protect our airports, and protect these variants of concern from getting into the province. If they do that, and we continue with record numbers of vaccinations, then these small businesses are going to get open much more quickly.
A reminder to please press *1 if you have a question.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.